All right, the investment committee is answering your questions. First off to Brenda. Jake in Connecticut is asking, I bought PayPal in early 2021 and it hasn't really performed well. Should I hold or move on to another name? Brenda?
Yeah, I'll say that this is a high expectation stock, but so far, really against tough comparisons from last year, the company really has grown very impressively. So I think as long as that continues, the stock should continue to work. I mean, if we look back at recent trends, the company continues to sign up merchants globally. They have announced a price increase to their U.S. merchants, which they should definitely be able to pass along. And importantly, they're just beating margin expectations. They beat margin expectations by 200 basis points last quarter, which is really impressive. So as long as those impressive results continue, I think the stock should continue to work.
Yeah, PayPal also outperforming the market and its rival Square, up 23% year to date versus 10% for Square. So interesting. All right, next to Pete. Hilda in Studio City has a question about Celsius Holdings. Do you think they can go higher from here, even though they have run up so much?
I think they can, Frank. As a matter of fact, they were higher from where they are now, or not too long ago. There was actually an $80 stock. It pulled back significantly. They've done a lot of different things. This is a growth company, though, and I say that because people have to understand they are spending to grow, and that's the process they're within. They're making money, but they're spending to grow. They're making a lot of different headway along the way as well in terms of market share. They're taking it away from Bang and others, and I think this is a great place to be. I think this is a stock that has a great balance sheet that can go a lot higher, but you've got to be patient. There's going to be a lot of big moves up and big moves down, but I think generally the move is higher.
All right, Jim. Michael in Chicago says, I'm looking to invest in dividend stocks. Which are the safest with the best yields?
Well, I think that when you're looking at yields, you want to make sure you don't reach too far. Kevin O'Leary made a great comment about dividends and their sustainability, but sometimes you get into a situation with an AT&T where the dividend is too high and they have to cut it. Now, that's a very specific case, but my major point here is look for sustainable dividends. And right now, you can look in industrials, you can look in energy and materials for sustainable, great dividends.
All right, Mr. Wonderful. Connor in San Francisco says, or is asking, when is Alibaba finally going to be a buy again?
It's a buy right now. Let me explain my thinking on this one. If you own Amazon and you saw the benefit that Amazon created for the economy and for itself during the pandemic, the exact same thing was going on in Asia with Alibaba. And the Jack Ma, want to call that a taint or an issue, that has now dissipated from the story. You don't have to worry about that anymore. The Chinese regulator has had its ways with Alibaba, and it's over. And now it just continues to execute. I think if you're going to own Amazon, equal weighting in Alibaba, and then you've got the global perspective of direct-to-consumer play. They are both behemoths, and they're both going to flourish in the next couple of years.
All right, Brenda, turning back to you. Annie in Toronto says, I bought Mondelez about a year ago. Should I hold, sell, or buy more?
Yeah, we really like Mondelez and think this company is often overlooked. It has a great organic growth rate, really one of the best within consumer staples. They really have a great strategy of going into mostly emerging markets, in many cases, buying local brands that are really relevant in those markets and then building their business in that way. So we continue to really like the stock. I think it's reasonably valued versus the group. And so if you're looking to put money to work within consumer staples, we think this is a good place to put it.
All right, another question from up north. Sorry? Oh, I thought someone was trying to jump in. All right, another question from Toronto, this time from Michelle. It's for Pete. No one talks about IBM anymore, and yet they've made progress this year. Thoughts on if this is a buy?
Yeah, and a lot of people hate this stock for all the wrong reasons. I think this is a great stock. Look at what it's done year to date, Frank, in terms of where we started the year, where it is right now. Take a look at the dividend yield. Kevin talks about dividend yields. Look at those dividend yields. And when you look at the free cash flow that this company's got, I just like the management piece. I know it's taken a little bit of time, but the Red Hat acquisition and the Whitehurst and all the rest, I think this is a stock that will continue to go higher. I love them. I think there's some possibilities for why they are overlooked oftentimes because people look at them as the old IBM. This, I think, is the new IBM, and I think this stock has a lot of room to the upside.